Well, another day, another activity center search for spotted owls. Today's going to be interesting. Lots of really kind of steep, cliffy environments and lots of kind of precipitous terrain that I have to watch out for. There's like some kind of decommissioned road that goes through the center of the site. Then I'm going to kind of drop away from that road a few times and go to kind of different drainages and stuff like that. And go see if I can find any spotted owls in this habitat. So it should be a fun day. So it's encouraging to see trees like that in the distance there, that big gray tree. Because there's like this big thick branch, maybe like 3/4 of the way up, that has a lot of platform structure. That's the kind of thing that marbled murrelets might nest on, and conceivably is old enough and thick enough that you can find spotted owls in the area as well. So that's an interesting spot. Hopefully get some milk out here today. Well, that was quite a, I mean, I've still got a lot of undertaking adventure to go, but this area is very incredibly steep. And we got to my last culling area, then starting to go uphill. But yeah, that culling area required some interesting side hilling, really steep terrain, holding on to ferns a lot like that. And right now, I'm just working my way uphill. Got one more culling station. I'm gonna go uphill in a different direction and then get back to the decommissioned road on the ridge, at which time I'll hike back to the truck and then do some culling at night. So the day is young. Very steep. Okay. So again, let's keep on going up. At some point, I don't know when, but at some point I'm gonna make a video about